Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a recurring calendar event into a Basecamp project? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a recurring calendar event into Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing lots of different projects or teams, sometimes your clients will require a weekly update or maybe even a monthly update. So you want to go ahead and schedule that recurring event into the project. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a recurring event for one of your projects, go ahead and click right here, view all projects in a list. Next, you need to find the project that you're going to add a recurring event into. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you want to click down here onto schedule. All right, once you do that, click on this green button, new event. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and set up a recurring event. So let's go ahead and name this weekly client revision. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and set this up for, let's say, every Thursday. So we'll start the first one for the 10th, and it's going to last until the 10th. And then every week it's going to be at, let's say, 7 o'clock, and it runs until 7:30. Here we can go ahead and invite our client in or any other coworkers that need to participate in this recurring event. And this is really important. You want to click right here on repeat. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to choose how often this is going to be a recurring event. So for me, I'm going to do this every week, and then you get to choose how long it's going to be recurring. For me, I'm going to leave it at forever, but you can go ahead and choose a specific date when it's going to end. For me, I'm going to leave it forever. And then you're going to click on post this event. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see our weekly client revision is listed every Thursday ongoing. And it's going to show up on the physical calendar here, and then also down here for our event list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring calendar event in your Basecamp project, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.